everybody, welcome back to
still
Jelix Launch
fishing.
channel. We are playing joystick on the... This is the forest we were playing on joystick, and we survived the night in the last episode. We got some fish because we were hungry for some beef fast. And I don't know what we're going to do in this episode. We'll find out. You'll find out too. Yeah. I think we need that rabbit trap to come in clutch right now. We have some bird meat though. What? There's two... Did that just multiply?
Yeah. And our
Game
food,
hacks here with Jelix, Mon, and Trace.
we got a pot, but our food's gone. I don't know what happened.
Two fish in the pot are worth two pots in real life?
Apparently.
Well, after... Shit.
A pot of two fish is worth another old pot.
Well,
I don't know who made the trade for us, but they definitely did it.
Oh,
Put some of that stuff
dicks.
in there. I'm running out of everything. There are no fish anymore.
We need to plant some shit.
What the fuck?
We got another pot.
Okay, I don't want any more pots. Pots. Okay, I'm getting out of here. This place is weird.
Our water problem's fixed.
But
But now we have a food problem. The one thing we didn't have a problem with. Ah, shit.
They found our fortress.
We're dead.
They're waiting for us.
This is it. Oh. You don't see us. Shush. Quiet. Oh, God. Yeah. I'm scared. That's right. No.
Are they surrounding us?
I don't know. Did they spot you? They made a noise. Yep, they're surrounding you. Shit. Okay. Run to your shelter. That is the only way. Hop.
Little hop.
Just run. Do ring around the roads around the spikes and maybe you'll be fine. Yes? Wow.
Yeah, I can't get around that, huh,
You had a
bitch?
deep voice there. It's impenetrable. I don't understand. This is like freaking Fortnite when they're like, just don't turn around. Oh no. They figured it out. Run. Get to the boat. It's your only way.
I don't think they can get in here, can they?
Probably not. Hopefully not. I hope not. There's no place like home for the holidays. He's knocking down the door.
They
Oh yeah.
they can't. They don't understand.
Ah.
They don't understand walls.
What are doors? I mean, they really don't have doors. Oh god, they're trying to go through the wall. Get the tennis ball. Get the tennis ball ready.
Are they breaking it?
I hope not. This thing took a long time to make. Oh shit, they
What does
are
that
breaking.
mean?
You need a hammer. Build a hammer. You got rocks? Oh, hey, nice ass. Okay. Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Time to skedaddle, I think.
Go where?
Anywhere but here.
I don't have
They're
logs.
breaking things, I think.
They're breaking everything.
Apparently they can break things, Trace. I was wrong. I led you astray.
Back the fuck off.
Get to the boat, man. It's the only way.
I think so too.
Woo! Awesome. They'll never catch us now. Can they swim? Yes. Oh, indeed.
Rah.
We're fucked.
Yeah, we really are.
This has been a great start to the episode.
We're just building up. Like
It's because we didn't kill the scout. He told the other bears.
He really did.
And he told those bears told other two bears. Get the life preserver. I think that'll save us.
I don't think it lets us grab it.
Let's go. Woo!
I don't understand the point of that.
I don't either. It's just fun. Are they swimming out to us? No. Yes? No. I don't know.
They don't understand.
Okay, so you can build a hammer,
This is
by
our
the
home
way.
now.
You can build a hammer, by the way. Is there like some kind of
Slice.
dark secret in there that we don't know about?
I really feel like there is.
So you can build a hammer to rebuild your shit. Are you listening?
Yeah, I just don't know how.
It's a stick and a rock.
Gonna save out here, because why not?
There's like no point in saving, to be honest. So at this point, we're already dead.
Yeah, what happens if you die? Do you respawn to your last save point?
Yes and no.
They're gone.
No, they're not. They're swimming. I mean, they're in the water right there.
Oh,
I mean, not. Never mind. That's a stump. Sorry. Anyways, it's a stick and a rock. That's all it is. So
we got a stick.
Yep. Good
Oh,
job.
I equipped it.
That's not what I went. Stick and a rock and a rope or a cloth. I can't remember which. Oh, it's rope. And there is your
I think that's a tomahawk.
shit.
That's a crafted axe.
Ah, damn.
Let's hope it wasn't rope.
Oh.
What does that do?
Yes.
Upgraded rock.
Awesome. Shit.
Literally, it's upgraded rock.
We're doing good, boys. We got an upgrade.
This one does more damage and blocks better.
Yeah, it does.
So that would be my new weapon and choice.
Fuck them up.
Those are sharks.
Those are turtles.
Are you sure?
Can you hit
Turtle.
them?
Hi, turtles.
Can you build a turtle trap? Because there seems to be more of those than fucking rabbits. Alright, did they leave finally? Did we show them whose business? Whose nuts?
We're good. We're good. They
For
left.
now. That was a travesty almost.
Oh, we need quite a bit, honestly. We need food.
Yeah, which we didn't have a problem with when we started spawning pots.
Yeah, that was really weird. Honestly, I'm not
I'm
sure.
not 100% on that. The title of this episode is Pots.
Well, we found a
Something.
glitch, guys.
After so many cooked meals, you just spawn pots.
Hopefully I can do something with this.
I mean, to be honest, the water problem is more than the food problem. Just leave that there.
No, we need water.
Can you use salt water?
Nope.
Damn it. That's another thing. It hasn't rained. So our whole, like, turtle shell business really hasn't helped anyone.
No, it hasn't.
I feel like we need multiple of those anyways.
I think I'm gonna...
We need your feathers. I'm sorry. And your meat, probably. We need all of you. Just get inside. Yes. Talk to Cheryl. She is a good friend of mine. No, don't let me interrupt you.
She tastes pretty good.
And good night, sweet prince. Good show. Alright. Nice trophy. We're covered in blood. Oh, you just spawned a fucking bird out of that trophy head. Oh, there's that dead body still.
Yep. I've only killed one. No, I've killed two.
That's probably what the bonfire's for, right?
For what?
For, like, getting rid of them bodies.
It didn't give us a single feather.
You fucking...
They started breaking the fuck out of this thing.
Nice. One aloe seed. Uh-oh. That was a noise. You hear it too, right? It's not just me.
The fuck?
I don't know. Oh! Scout!
It's you, bitch.
Oh, you're on fire.
Fuck me.
Could have had a better start to that.
Come at me, bitch.
He's got a conch shell. He's in your house. If you just built that house right there, would he be trapped? Well, he's pretty trapped right there. Where was he?
Is he playing Ring Around Rosie with me?
Ring around? Don't, yeah, right? I'm confused too. Can you just sit? Oh, he's on fire now. He's done. Oh, he's a flamer. Alright. He's got a CD necklace. Kill him. I want them CDs. He is...
You're so tough to hit.
There we go. Knock him down. Kill him. Kill him good. Hit him right in his butthole. Yes. Yes. Awesome. He dead.
Can I have those?
Can I haves that? Nope, apparently not. Hey, drop something though. What do you drop? A nicer club.
Damn.
It's made of human hands and skull. Well, there's a that's a craftable for you right there. Turtle. I'm sorry. He's knocked him out. Oh, God. Thank you, turtle gods, for the
Thank you,
meat.
turtle gods. Please do not.
That is disgusting, but we will take it nonetheless. Well, let us build another... He is so happy to be dead.
Okay, I need to go get some fresh water.
So you can build a turtle soup.
Yeah, and then I'm gonna build another water catcher for the fuck of it.
Just in case it rains one day.
Yeah, then we'll be fine on water for 2 days. We still need 65 logs.
We're doing oh, that's a scout.
Another one?
Just follow him home and kill everybody. There's gonna be another raid here soon.
There's gonna be another.
Alright, how many pots we got here now?
We got 3. Of course, all of our fish are gone because all of our pots.
Go ahead and
is
put that pot on the fire pit. I'm at the
Oh,
one.
hello,
back
buddy.
there. Oh, shit. Man, he's running as fast as you. This place is no longer safe. Like, they gave us our time to build up just to crush our dreams.
They really did. That's all this game is about. Okay.
Alright, now don't spawn more pots, please.
Yeah, please don't.
This is a very strange weapon.
Yeah, I'm not a fan of what it looks like, but
I mean, if it fits, it ships anywhere in the country for a low flat rate. I don't understand how this is going to help, but... Oh, hey. Thank you.
welcome back. Hello, buddy.
Wrong move, bird. Holy shit.
Why does its head always come off?
I mean, why doesn't your head come off? God.
Because I'm alive.
Oh, that's right. Hey, food ready. We didn't spawn pots.
Thank God. Okay, we're doing a lot better now.
Yep, everything's hunky-dory.
It's time to, We've built up quite the collection. I'm honestly proud of us for whatever the fuck we're doing, so...
Yeah, you know what the objective of this game is, right?
What?
To find Timmy.
Oh yeah, I forgot
Bimmy.
about that, dude.
Oh,
Aha!
6 short, but look what came in handy. Good old stick holder.
Back in the day.
Oh, we were 2-6 short? My bad. There we go. Just in case it ever rains, we're ready.
We should probably build more of these, but I feel like we should finish that. But everything requires logs.
There's a log over there. It's a lot closer.
You know what? I got an idea. I have a great idea, actually.
Alright.
We're gonna get a lot of this log shit out of the way, because I'm tired of, having it, like, be an issue for us.
Yeah. I understand. We're gonna buckle down and shit our pants. Got it.
We're gonna build another of these, like, what's it called?
Hunting camp?
Oh, log sled, that's what it's called.
Let's put on some rock and log getting music. We got another tape. We got another tape we never listened to.
That's true.
Alright. Oh yeah. Build that motherfucking effigy.
That is what that is.
Oh, PewDiePie.
I haven't listened to this in a while.
Effigy, effigy. Oh my god. You see a bird?
Yeah.
Me too. He's over there. This is your time. Take it.
I can't crouch anymore.
You're already crouching.
I'm standing.
Shut up.
Obviously standing.
You've reached crouch level 100. You don't need to crouch anymore.
Build that motherfucking effigy. Meow, 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 meow. I haven't heard this in like forever, and I bet I could play this on guitar without even thinking about it.
Rain! Oh, thank you, effigy gods. Nice. Oh, locked. Oh, you picked them up and dropped them immediately.
You can't fly in the rain, bird.
That was a good montage.
What a good montage. I'm hunting, I'm gathering, like,
You just do it all.
I'm doing it all right
You're
now.
the total package.
Alright, boys. We done good for the day.
What's the song? Oh, fuck. Daylight come but me no wanna go home. Come, Mr. Tallyman, tally me a log sled. Daylight come. Come, Hun Gregory, tally me a log sled.
That's pretty good.
Gregory's dead, but his body lives on. Oh, we're
Can you,
shivering.
can
see
you like that?
No. It's
I was about to say,
raining.
fuck, it's raining.
I mean, that would be awesome, but also not awesome. Once we build our fucking cabin, we should just build a
Fire inside.
Oh shit!
What?
That guy
Oh,
got another Gregory on our hands. But no, once we build our log cabin, we should just build a fireplace on the inside. You know what I'm saying?
you want to try me, bitch? You fucking shit up.
Dude, I built this shitty on rock and rolled. Rock and rolled? Oh no. Build that motherfucking effigy.
Where'd he go?
He was never real. Bird,
Hello, bird.
I would be careful so close to the water collectors. Please.
That's true. I didn't even think about that.
He is dead. Meat. Thank you. Oh, you can't hold
Can't
any,
carry any
more
more meat.
meat. That's not what you said last night. Your
Yuck, yuck.
friend's
Hello,
dead.
bird.
You're just coming over here to mourn your dead friend and oh, whoa! Where did he go?
Did I even get the meat?
No, that bird flew to infinity.
I have the trophy.
Yeah, well, I don't know what to tell you. There's a dude up there with to your right with a flashlight.
Flashlight. Oh, he has friends.
He's got a lot of friends. Put a leaf trap real quick and fucking set them on fire. Or set fire to your leaf trap. You want to run around some more like a fucking maniac? Jesus, we could be civil.
I want that flashlight of yours.
It's an awfully nice flashlight. They're breathing fire. Fire! Fire bad! Rule 1, fire hot. You guys twins? Or, you know, is it just embarrassing that you have the same outfit on?
Look at this shit. Oh,
That was painful. Shut up. You knocked his tooth out. Oh.
yeah, is that your husband?
Too fucking bad. Oh, you're getting hit from behind. Wink, wink. Dude, you got medicine, you know.
I do. Hold on, guys.
Hold on,
Let me pop some pills.
Oh, he's taking the body.
No.
Oh. Jeez, those screams are loud in my ear.
You're the reason my shed is bad.
Oh, there goes a tooth. Is he dead? Nope, not yet. Finishing blow. There you go. Oh, he has a cool thing too, but I
already
think it's
have
the
one
same
of those.
thing. Switch him out.
Yeah, who's the bad guy now?
You still didn't get the flashlight.
I know.
Hey, look, she's standing right there.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
Be my friend.
Be my friend.
Alright.
I'm gonna take a nap now, if you guys don't mind.
Yeah. If it's possible. Alright. Dude, you
It was
know-
a successful night.
Hey, look,
we actually fended
achievements.
ourselves
Fifth
off.
night. Good job, us.
We defended ourselves pretty good.
I'm
Oh, and
proud of us.
I have another food waiting for me.
Nice and burnt.
I need some.
I don't think it really gives
I need
you
to
that
make
much
a
food.
soup.
Nice soup. Damn it. Now they're going to tell the other bears. What's up,
But
you
eventually
flap
there's gonna be no more bears. Right? Right?
That'd be unbearable. Oh, fucking kill me.
So many pots, I don't understand.
Dude, I don't either.
I've gotten pretty good at this game though, honestly.
You've learned a lot in the
Is there
past.
fish here now?
Yeah, they're back. Oh, but we got...
Hey.
I mean, just make a fish stew right here. Place the pot down and... Because you can do it one-handed.
I can. Honestly, look at this shit.
Whoosh, bitch.
Okay, but it's gonna be another... I don't trust it, but I'm gonna try it anyway. Oh my god.
Ah, shit.
I don't know what
I think it's the fire pit.
I think it's the type of fire pit.
Yeah, or it's just the plain fire. Oh wait, we're gonna lock it down here. Subscribe, become a I don't know what happened there. We're gonna lock it down here. Subscribe, become fuck, whatever. Oh, why is there so many pots? Oh God. Maybe I had any more hair. Harry used to be called Potter. Shit. Damn it. Okay.